Okay.
This is at the Hotel Denver.
They might be.
Might be coming. Here it
Because the
comes.
housekeeping is in the basement, so we can't really.
Yeah, we'll just go to the top.
This used to be the only elevator in this property.
Thank you. And look, it's got the old logo.
Yeah. So hit 3 and then go back to 1.
It's got an indicator.
When I wrote it years ago, somebody from staff gave me a write on.
I see.
Yeah. I don't think the indicator works.
It does not, no. Yeah, single speed.
Then just take it back to 1.
Here, let me back up and get a picture of this
COB.
panel.
Yeah.
Does it inch? No.
No.
Love that sound. Whew. I love these old single speed Otises.
Yeah, super cool.
That was neat.
Thank you. One of the managers actually gave me a write on. A long time ago. Like 10 years ago.
We'll watch it go. And there it goes. We'll see the top of it. And that's it.